The next heading is Role of Financial Market. One of the important requisitions for the accelerated development of an economy is an existence of a dynamic and resilient financial market. A financial market is a great use for a country as it helps the economy in the following manner. So first role, it is a savings mobilizations. Obtaining funds from the saver or surplus unit, which is household individuals, business firms, public sector unit, government is an important role played by the financial market. So financial market plays an important role to mobilize the savings fund. Then investment, financial market play a key role in arranging the investment of fund, thus collected in those units which are in need of the same. So the excess person from the cash collected from the excess person and give it to the needed person. The national growth. The national financial market contribute to a nation's growth by ensuring an unfettered means unrestricted flow of surplus fund to deficit unit. Flow of fund for productive purposes also made possible. It leads overall economic growth. So without the restriction, the funds are transferred from the excess person to the needy persons. Then entrepreneurship growth. Financial market contribute to the development of the entrepreneurial class by making available necessary financial resources. If a person want to do a business or start a business means he needs funds. So these financial markets provide fund to the entrepreneur. So automatically the entrepreneurship growth. Then industrial development. The different component of financial market helps in accelerated growth of industrial and economic development of a country and thus contributing to raising the standard of living and society's well-being. If the entrepreneurs development and also the business firm develop means automatically some industries will develop. It leads to the standard of living and the society's well-being. The next heading is functions of financial market. Intermediary functions and financial functions. Intermediary means it's a connecting between two. So first one, transfer of resources. The financial market facilitates the transfer of real economic resource from lender to ultimate borrowers. Then second one is enhancing income. Financial market allow lenders earn interest on their surplus investable funds. Then productive usage. Financial market allow the productive use of fund borrowed and thus enhancing the income and gross the national production. So automatically the gross national production will be increased. Then capital formation. Financial market provide a channel through which new savings flow. And then price determination. Financial market allow for the determination of the price. So they provide a signal for the allocation of funds in the economy. Then sale mechanism. Financial market provide a mechanism of selling financial assist by an investor. Then informations, the activities of the participants in the financial market results in the generation and the consequent dissemination of information to the various segment of the market. So the intermediary functions are transfer of resources, enhancing income, productive usage, capital formation, price determination, and last one, sale mechanism and information. Then financial functions are providing the borrowers with fund so as to enable them to carry out their investment plans. Then providing the lenders with the earning assets and providing liquidity in the market. So these are the financial functions. The next heading is new issue market versus secondary market. The comparison of new issue market and secondary market. We know that new issue markets the sale of securities for the first time. Secondary market means they already traded in the market. So meaning the marketplace when new shares is called primary market. Secondary, formerly issued securities are traded. The place where formerly issued, formerly means already issued. Buying, here new issue markets they can buy the shares directly. Here secondary markets they can sales indirectly. Financing, it supply fund to budding enterprises and also existing companies. Here secondary market it does not provide funding to companies. How can securities be sold? Primary market only once, secondary market multiple times. If the securities are not sold in the primary market, it can be sold in the secondary market. Buying and selling between here the company and investors. In the secondary market only investors. Gain persons, primary market company, secondary market investors. Intermediary underwriters, here brokers. Price, primary market fixed price, but secondary market the price will be fluctuates. So depends upon the demand and supply forces. If demand high means price will be high. Then organizational difference, not rooted to any specific spot or geographical location, but in the secondary market it has a physical existence. These are the difference between new issue market and secondary market. The next heading is classification of financial assets. The financial assets may be classified differently under different circumstances. Here we have two classification, marketable assets and non-marketable assets. Marketable assets are that assets which can be easily transferred from one person to another person without much hindrance. Hindrance means obstacles. Without any problem, they can move easily from one person to another person. Example, shares of listed companies, government securities, bonds of public sector undertaking. The non-marketable assets are, if the assets cannot be transferred easily, they come under this category. Examples, bank deposit, provident fund, pension fund, national savings certificates, insurance policies. So the fund is not transferred easily from one person to another person means they are called non-marketable assets. If the funds are easily transferred from one person to another person mean that is marketable assets. So that's all this lesson. So the financial market 1 we are learning from meaning, the scope, meaning and definition of financial market, Indian types of Indian financial systems and scope of Indian financial market, then types of financial market and role of financial markets and the functions of financial markets, and last heading is the difference between new issue market and secondary market. Last one, classification of financial assets. That's all children. I will see you soon with my next video. Please children read this lesson properly. We have more number of lessons in commerce. Thank you children. Stay safe.